let A is equal to 3, 7, 2, 5, B is equal to 6, 8, 7, 9. Verify that A into B whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Verify that A into B whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. First you find the matrix A into B and find inverse to that matrix. To find RHS, first you find B inverse and then A inverse and multiply those two matrices. First you find the product A into B. First row, take first row and first column. 3 into 6, 18. 7 into 7, that's 49. Take first row, second column. 24. Plus 63. Next. First row, second column. 2 into 6, 12. Plus 35. Second row, second column. 2 into 8, 16. Plus 45. 18 plus 49. 67. It is 87. 47. 61. Now you find the inverse of that matrix AB, that is the product AB. First you find a determinant of AB and then adjoint AB. (67 into 61 minus 47 into 87), that is the value is -1. Next you find adjoint of this AB. You find cofactors of all the elements in this matrix AB. Now A11 is equal to -1 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 61. 61. Next A12 -1 to the power of 1 plus 2 into, you delete first row and second column, what we get? 47 minus 47. Next A21 -1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into, you delete second row and first column, you get 87 minus 87. A22, you delete second row and second column, -1 to the power of 2 plus 2 into 67. This is 67. Therefore adjoint AB is equal to (61 minus 47 minus 87, 67). Transpose of this cofactor matrix, we get 61 minus 47 minus 87, 67. Next, therefore AB whole inverse is equal to 1 by from the formula A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A, 1 by det AB into adjoint of AB. What is the det AB value? Minus 1. 1 by minus 1 into, what is adjoint AB? 61 minus 87 minus 47, 67. Multiply each element with minus 1. You get minus 61, 87, 47 minus 67. This is the value of LHS. Now we find RHS value. First you find B inverse and then A inverse, and on multiplying you get RHS value. First you find B inverse. To find B inverse, that is the given. First you find det B. Det B is equal to (54) minus, this is minus 2. Next you find adjoint B. You find the cofactors of all the elements in the matrix B. A11 is equal to minus 1 to the power of into 9. You delete first row and first column. Next that is equal to 9. A12, you delete first row and second column. 7 minus 7. Next A21 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into, you delete second row and first column. 8 minus 8. A22, you delete second row and second column. 6. Therefore adjoint B is equal to, replace all the elements with their cofactors, get 9 minus 7 minus 8, 6. Apply transpose to that. 9 minus 7 minus 8 and 6. In the same way you find A, B in A, B. Therefore B inverse is equal to 1 by det B into adjoint B. 1 by, what is det B? Minus 2. It is 9 minus 8 minus 6 minus 7 and 6. In the same way you find A inverse. To find A inverse, first you find det A. Det A is equal to 3 into 5 minus 7 into 2. 15 minus, that is 1. Similarly, you find cofactors of all the elements. A11 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 5, 5. Next, A12 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 into 2 minus 2. Next A21 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into, you delete second row and first column, 7 minus 7 A22 into, you delete second row and second column, 3. Therefore adjoint A is equal to 5 minus 2 minus 7 3. Apply transpose to that, you get 5 minus 7 minus 2 3. Therefore A inverse is equal to, you write 1 by det A into adjoint A. What is det A? Det A is 1. 1 by 1, that is 1. So you get the adjoint matrix, same matrix, 5 minus 7 minus 2 3. That is A inverse. Now you multiply B inverse with A inverse. Now B inverse into A inverse. RHS, B inverse into A inverse is equal to, what is B inverse? Minus 1 by 2 into 9 minus 8 minus 7 6. What is A inverse? 5 minus 7 minus 2 45 plus 16, 9 into minus 7 minus 63 minus 24 minus 35 minus 12 49 plus 18. This is minus 1 by 2 into 61 minus 87 minus 47 67. So this equals to AB whole inverse. Therefore AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Okay, you see this problem. For the matrix A is equal to, a 3 by 3 matrix is given. Show that A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I is equal to 0, and hence find A inverse. First we prove this equation, and from this equation you find A inverse. How to prove this equation? First you find the value of A square and the A cube value. What is I value? I is identity matrix of order 3 by 3. Why you take 3 by 3? Here A is a matrix of order 3 by 3. So you take identity matrix of order 3 by 3. First you see A square. A square is A into A. Multiply A with A. On multiplying you get this matrix. Next A cube. A cube is taken as A square into A. Multiply this A square again with A. Then you get A cube. Similarly, how to find A power 4? By multiplying A cube with A. Next, you substitute this A cube and A square in this LHS. A cube, A square, A, I is taken as identity matrix. Now, add corresponding elements. For example, you take the first element, 8 minus 6 into 4, 24, plus 5 into 1, 5, plus 11 into 1, 11. Similarly, you take first row second column element, 7 minus 6 into 2, minus 12, plus 5 into 1, 5, 11 into 0, 0. There is no need to write 0. Next, first row third column element, 1, 1 minus 6, plus 5 into 1, 5, 11 into 0, 0. That way you add corresponding elements. On calculation, you get all the elements as zeros. You write this problem. First you find a square value and then a cube value. Substitute this a cube and a square in LHS. You get a 0 by 0 matrix. Next, we want to find A inverse from this equation. We already proved a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11 into I is equal to 0, 0 by 0 matrix. Let it be equation 1. Now we find A inverse from this equation. For this, multiply both sides with A inverse. Pre-multiply equation 1 with A inverse. A inverse into a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i is equal to A inverse into 0. Pre-multiply means multiply from this side. Now take this A inverse into bracket. A inverse into a cube minus 6 into A inverse into a square plus 5 into A inverse into a plus 11 into A inverse into I is equal to A inverse into 0, that is 0. That means if you multiply any matrix with 0 matrix, you get 0 matrix. Here A cube is written as A into A square. A inverse into A, that is I into A square, again you get A square. You see here, A inverse into A cube. This is A inverse into A cube is taken as A into A square. But what is A inverse into A? I into A square. If you multiply identity matrix with any matrix, you get the same matrix. So you get A square. So the first term value is A square minus 6 into A inverse into A square. A inverse into A square is taken as A into A. A inverse into A, that is I into A. I into A is A plus 5 into A inverse into A, that is I, plus 11 into A inverse into I, that is A inverse. If you multiply any matrix with identity matrix, you get the same matrix, is equal to 0. From this equation, 11 into A inverse is equal to, take these terms to right hand side, minus A square plus 6a minus 5i. 11 into a square is equal to minus a square plus 6a minus 5y. From this, what is the value of a inverse? 1 by 11 into minus a square plus 6a minus 5y, or take minus common from this, you get minus 1 by 11 into a square minus 6a plus 5y. You find this value separately on substituting. We already find a square value. What is a square? 4, 2, 1, minus 3, 8, minus 14, 7, minus 3, 14. Substitute a square value in that. A square 4, 2, 1, minus 3, 8, minus 14, 7, minus 3, 14, minus 6 into a value 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3, plus 5y 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. A square minus 6 into a plus 5 into I. Now calculate this value, simplify this. Four minus 6 plus 5. Next 2 minus 6 plus 0. Next 1 minus 6 plus 0. Next you add corresponding elements, minus 3, minus 6 plus 0. Next 8 minus 8 plus 5. Next minus 14 plus 18. Next 7 minus 12 plus 0. Next minus 3 plus 6 plus 0. Next 14 minus 18 plus 5. 4 plus 5, 9 minus 6, 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 9, 5, 4, minus 5, 3, minus 4 plus 1, 1. Now divide this 1 by 11. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 by 11 into, you write this matrix. In this way, you find A inverse value from this equation.